Building healthy habits. Small changes that lead to big results. Take a moment to imagine your dream life. Now ask yourself, how far are you from it? What if you could close that gap through small, simple habits? Big results don't demand drastic changes. Instead, they stem from tiny, consistent actions that over time create a life of transformation. Picture compounding interest. Something seemingly insignificant at first, but builds exponentially. Habits work the same way. A 1% change each day produces staggering growth by the end of the year. Let's dive into how these small, deliberate changes can improve your health, mindset, and overall lifestyle, starting today. Feeling motivated one day but not the next? You're not alone. Motivation is fleeting. It's unreliable when the initial excitement wanes. That's why focusing on habits, not willpower, is the key to sustainable self-improvement. Habits automate success once they're rooted in your routine. Think of brushing your teeth or locking your door. Effortless, right? By anchoring healthy habits to existing behaviors, you can eliminate the need for constant motivation. It's no longer about forcing yourself. It's about making positive actions automatic and ingrained in your daily life. Building habits doesn't mean overhauling your life overnight. Start with the 1-minute rule. Commit just 60 seconds to your desired habit. Want to meditate? Start with 1 quiet minute. Want to read more? Begin with 1 page. The goal isn't perfection, but consistency. When a habit feels easy to complete, your brain perceives it as achievable. Over time, that 1-minute investment naturally grows into 5, then 10, and eventually a fully developed routine. Small steps, repeated consistently, create significant, sustainable results. Habit stacking is a game-changing strategy for creating effortless routines. This technique involves pairing a new habit with something you already do. For example, while waiting for your morning coffee to brew, do 5 squats or stretch for 30 seconds. Stack one positive action onto another. The beauty of habit stacking lies in its simplicity. You're not reinventing your routine. Instead, you're strategically inserting small but meaningful habits into moments that already exist in your day. This approach strengthens new habits while keeping them manageable and seamless. Tracking your habits is like giving yourself a daily high five. It keeps you motivated and showcases your progress. A simple habit tracker, such as a checklist, journal, or app, helps reinforce consistency. It provides a visual representation of your dedication over time. Celebrate even the smallest wins. Successfully drinking an extra glass of water today? Well done. Progress breeds momentum, and momentum compounds into major life changes. Acknowledging your efforts keeps you motivated and proves to yourself that you're capable of sticking with new habits. The fascinating thing about building habits is their ripple effect. Good habits trigger more good habits, like dominoes falling in line. For instance, exercising regularly might prompt healthier eating, better sleep, and improved productivity. Small changes lead to big, interconnected results. This domino effect empowers you to approach change holistically without overwhelming yourself. Focus on one keystone habit, just one thing, and let its momentum propel you toward broader improvements. Your confidence will grow as each small success builds upon another. Breaking bad habits might feel impossible, but here's the trick. Don't simply try to erase them. Replace them. Swap scrolling on your phone before bed with reading a few pages of a book. Trade that extra sugary soda for sparkling water. Focus on healthier alternatives. Habits form because they satisfy a craving or need. When replacing bad habits, ensure your alternative provides a similar reward. Over time, your brain will associate that reward with the new habit instead, and the old habit will lose its grip. Setbacks are part of the process, not the end of it. Missing a day or slipping up doesn't mean failure. What matters is your ability to bounce back and remain consistent over time. Remember, progress is about showing up more often than not. Think of building habits as a journey with bumps along the road. Instead of striving for perfection, aim for consistent effort. A missed habit shouldn't derail your progress. It's simply a reminder that we're all human. Be patient, forgiving, and persistent. Change doesn't happen overnight, and that's okay. Any habit worth building requires time to establish and effort to maintain. Patience isn't just a virtue. It's a necessity for long-term growth. Remember, every small step you take is steering you toward the results you want. Visualization can help. Imagine planting a seed. You don't dig it up the next day expecting a tree. Instead, you water it, nurture it, and trust that it's growing beneath the surface. Your habits work the same way. Stay committed, and the results will bloom. Now that you know the power of small changes, it's time to take action. Choose one habit you want to build, just one. Start today with the smallest possible step, and track your consistency. Share your progress with us in the comments and inspire others in their own journey. Remember, big results don't happen by accident. They're built through intentional, consistent actions over time. If you're ready to transform your life, start small and stay patient. Let your habits guide you to the success and happiness you deserve. Why wait? Your future begins here.